Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content. So if that's what you like, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that you will know when I do uploads. Today, I'm going to use a palette that it's not new palette, but it is new to me. Pastel Dreams. Is that the name of it? Yes. From Give Me Glow. I had a subscriber get on their website and order it and have it sent to me. So we're gonna give it a try. This subscriber wanted green, so we're gonna do green, but we're gonna mix some other stuff with it. I kind of thought I wanted to go from yellow to green to blue, although I'm not gonna use pastel blue. I'm going to get some help from a McGrath palette. But by the time we do it, I might change my mind and go to dark green. But we'll just have to see how we feel at the time. So I'm going to get my eyes ready and then we'll get started. Okay, so let's start off with the yellow. It's a bright yellow. And I did put on Milani primer. So hopefully that'll help the yellow out. And these are real pretty. It looks like we've got one matte and one shimmer of each pastel. So I'm just going to take that in the inner corner and down into the bottom a little bit. It's not going to hurt anything. Now I'm going to take this green next to it, the dark green. We've got two shades of green. They're a little bit different, but I'm going to use this bright green. And that's going to take the center of the eye and most of the lid. This would have been pretty, just a plain green. That would have been super pretty too, but I didn't really want in the mood for a monochromatic look. I did get me some ColourPop palettes, some little 9 fans, and we can do some of those that are monochromatic. So I'm going to hope this looks okay. Pink would look good too. I don't know why I was in the mood for yellow. I just was. Maybe one day we'll do pink and green, like a watermelon. So normally I don't like pastels, but I was happy to get this palette. I mean, I like pastels, just not an all pastel look. So like if you was a kid, if you can remember your colors, you know, when you would mix yellow and blue, it would make green. And so that's sort of what I've got in the mind. This yellow goes to green and goes to blue. Like green would be sort of the transition color. Okay, so I've got this McGrath palette. I had it in my stash. I was just hunting for a blue and a dark blue. And this was from Christmas a few years ago. I don't know which one it was, but I picked this up off Macari. So we can either use green or we can use blue, but I sort of decided I wanted blue. So we're going to take this blue out to the outer edge. So this might be kind of old. I don't know. Well, I know it is old because I got it off Macari. Let's fix that a little bit. But I don't know if it's expired or not. We're using it. This is sort of a dark navy. They had a lighter blue that was a shimmer, but I didn't want light blue. If I was going to do light blue, it could just stuck with the pastel. But the reason I wanted dark, because this is going to blend into my underline. So I'm just going to try to blend those in for a second. Take that green, blend into it. Find me a flat brush. Now, before I do the underline, I'm going to go ahead and add the shimmers. Here's the yellow shimmer. We're going to do that at the front part of the eye. And then the green shimmer, we're going to do it at the center and end of the eye. We'll see how that looks. This might be a big mistake. I don't know. It's a pretty shimmer. So I have another I have two more Give Me Gold palettes. One of them I'm going to be using in July. And one of them I can use anytime I want. Now I'm going to add this green in there. This probably would have been real pretty with pink too. So this is a pretty shimmer. It's not, you know, it's just a green shimmer. You know, it doesn't have a lot of, it's not a duochrome or a multichrome. It's just a shimmer, but it's pretty. So I'm going to take this shimmer sort of on into the blue. Because our blue is going to be mainly just outline, corner. So I'm going to do a little bit more blending. Kind of bright. Actually, this has turned out brighter than I expected. Even though it is a pastel, they're nice and bright. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this green on into the blue a little bit. Take it into there. Now then, for my under eye, I'm going to go ahead and take the same dark blue, which you can use any color you want, or you could have just stuck with green. Or, you know, you didn't have to go darker. You could use the dark green, which I contemplated it up until the very end. I was on the edge. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and take this all the way under the eye, and we're going to see if that yellow doesn't turn it green at the very edge. I don't know what's going to happen with that yellow. We'll see. Like right here. It might turn green. I'm going to line my eyes a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to blend a little bit more. Take this yellow, push it down that way. The green, push it down that way. Some navy blue liner that I'm going to use. I'm thinking I'm going to use this complexion kit today from Glamlite. I think it'll go best with the colors we chose, or I chose. Brighten our under eyes a little bit. And then I like to go from dark to light, so I'm going to use this color of blush, just a little bit. Not to overdo it. And I do have sunscreen on underneath this. I didn't do the tinted sunscreen. I guess it's a little tinted, maybe. It's sort of color correcting with green cast to it. I don't know that I needed it, but I just tried it out. Before I go any further, I'm going to use this CoverGirl Finishing Powder Skin Enhancer. I fixed this up off Amazon. I didn't see it at my Walmart. I'm going to use this lighter shade of pink, and I like to take that above the darker. Let it transition in. Now we're going to do our highlighter. And I already did a short with this complexion kit. You can hunt through my shorts and find it. And I'm going to use let's put some on my brow area. I'm going to use this lip kit from Glamlite too. This is a pretty lip kit. Of course, I like them all. I picked this little bun up. It's a little scrunchie. It's supposed to be 100% human hair off Amazon. This is what I'm wearing to work today. So I got a second one I bought two. It came with two, or you can buy just one, but I just went in and bought two. It wasn't that much more. And so I've already got my hair washed and rolled, and we're gonna see how we look with it up. I wear it up. How about we do a half up? And then later in the day when my hair's bugging me, then I can pull it all the way up. I think that would be better, having some of my hair out. So we've tried several different styles today, and I'm deciding on the half up. And I still want to kind of poof that up a little bit, because I don't want it to be flat. So I'm going to take this little hair scrunchie, which we'll see how that looks. And I'm going to, underneath my real hair, this might be kind of big. I might need to use a smaller one. I like that better than the full up. The full up, we'll do that at the end of the day when I just can't take no more. Okay, so I believe this is going to be our finished look. I will spray it down after I get done. I don't want to have to leave and then come back. So anyway, how do y'all like that? This is my stab at using Pastel Dreams, and I will definitely be using this palette some more today, or not today, this week, but I'll probably just do shorts. So thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.